to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing BT21 haul. I recently went to BT21 store in LA and I got some stuff and I spent a lot of money. I broke my bank. So I just wanted to share some items I got. I know store in New York is the OG store, so it definitely has more variety items, because when I went to LA store I saw some stuff but there weren't a lot of variety I can choose from, so it was kind of hard for me to choose what to get, because like I knew some of the stuff I won't even use it. But you know, gotta support BTS, because you know, we're ARMY. Anyway, so yeah, let's just get it started. So I mean, obviously you know who my bias is. Yeah? Oh. Yeah, so I got a lot of Googie stuff, but my sister she's obsessed with Tata, so it was my sister's birthday, so I got some stuff for myself, but I also got some stuff for my sister. And so let's just get started with Tata stuff first. So the first thing I got for her was the Tata pillow. This is freaking adorable. And I wanted to buy one of these pillows, but I'm moving to Boston next week. So it's really unrealistic for me to carry this huge pillow just because I can't fit everything in. So I am going to New York in October, and probably know why. But so I am definitely going to visit the Line store there, so I might buy more stuff there, but for now we'll just stick with this. So first I got my sister this huge pillow. It's so comfortable and she still has a tag on it, just because, you know, this is just BTS, BT21 stuff. Pretty big. It's bigger than me. I mean, bigger than my face, definitely. And this was around like $50. There's someone that it was around $100, but it was a little bit bigger than this, so I think it's better to get this because they're the same similar size. So yeah. And next up, I got her a shirt. It says Pump. So they ran out of sizes in small and medium, so we both had to get in large, and I wanted to wear this as a dress, so it's my sister, because like large, because we normally wear small, so I thought large was big enough for us to wear as a dress, and it is definitely big. I had to cuff the sleeves and it's still kind of big on me, but the length isn't that long, so I can't wear it as a dress. And hopefully this shrinks, because you know, like if you buy clothes in Korea, you're not supposed to put it in a dryer because the clothes shrink. So hopefully this shrinks so I can just wear it as a normal shirt. But as of now, this is pretty big on me. But yeah, so I got her this adorable shirt. And then I also got her this headband. I think she's gonna wear this to a concert. Also got her a pair of socks. Van socks, because she always wears Vans, so I got her this, and this you can literally wear for years. So I got her this, and I also got her a pen, but I don't know where she put her pen and she doesn't know either, so hopefully she will find it soon. But let's move on to what I got. So if you don't know, I mentioned it briefly in my Army Bomb unboxing, but I love all the members, but if I have to choose my bias, I mean, I didn't even take this tag out. I mean, but my bias is Googie. But the reason why I got into BTS was because of Jin. So I felt kind of guilty not getting not getting RJ, but thankfully Line Store gave me RJ back, so here's one. And then yeah, as I mentioned, I got the headband also, and I am thinking about wearing this to a concert. So yeah, but these headbands are kind of small, they're kind of tight. But and then I also got myself this keychain. hopefully, for now, I don't really need to use a keychain, but when I get an apartment later on, I would need one, so I would use this. And then I got myself this shirt. And that's basically it. I didn't buy a lot of stuff for myself. Just because I know I'm going to be going to the New York store. But I heard that even though there are more stuff there, it's more expensive. So I don't know. So I just didn't get a lot of stuff for myself. But I got some stuff for my sister because the LA one is a pop-up store. So it's not going to stay. I think either it's only staying for 3 months. So before they remove everything, I just wanted to get her stuff. And also I wanted to unbox the album. So if you saw a version, I got version S. If you saw my the unboxing video, I'll link it right here if you didn't watch it. And I'm so sorry, like I just want to apologize again. I did release the video before the album was released, but I didn't release the songs or anything like that. I didn't try to spoil anything. I just assumed that if you didn't want to ruin your surprise, like you wouldn't watch it. So I guess that's my fault for posting it beforehand. But I was just really excited and I wanted to give you guys some idea what to expect. But yeah. But I do believe that it was unfair for me to get it first than everybody else. But regardless, I got another version. So apparently if you buy a concert ticket, you get this for free. And I got in version L, which I was really happy about because I wanted version L. So the inside, so I already opened it. I just couldn't wait, so let me just share it with you guys. So I mean, the packaging in front and back are the same, but I got this poster. This is super adorable, and Jimin is in center for this one. And then my two Ultimate Bias right here. And then so that's the poster. I'm definitely taking both of them to school because why not? And guess what? I got Jungkook's photo card. I'm so happy because, you know, I can just have this. But I feel like he kind of looks different in this photo card. I really liked him in Tear, Love Yourself Tear album, the photo cards, because my sister got both Jungkook, so she gave me one. And he looks so great. I'll show you guys later, like, because I don't have my phone with me right now and I'm too lazy to get it. So that is it for my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you thought about what I got, and let me know if you guys are going to the BTS concert in New York City Field. Maybe we can meet up. Yeah, let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!